flagship Alpus Group thought leadership presentation featuring WeFi infrastructure. The financial system is not built for you. Banks prioritize shareholders. Your savings lose value to inflation. Capital access is controlled. You carry asymmetric risk. Reframing the question, what if your capital behaved like a bank? Controlled, disciplined, and recycled. What becoming your own bank means: control capital allocation, deploy money with intent, secure returns, and reinvest profits. How banks really create wealth. Banks create wealth through deposits made into their system, into their infrastructure, and they then recycle that money. They use the money that's deposited with them. They earn a higher rate of interest on it than they pay to savers who deposit money with them, and therefore they make a margin, a high margin, which they then can generate as profits and to pay their overheads. This is a system, not a product. It's a banking system. So step one, if you want to become your own bank, is to build a capital base. You need to retain your earnings. You need to build property equity. You need to carry out joint ventures where you can use other people's money. And you need to be patient with your capital, i.e. not overstretch yourself, over-leverage yourself. Step two, control the structure. SPVs and holding companies, so that you can generate profit and then retain it in holding companies and then reallocate that profit to other SPVs. Ring-fenced accounts and clear governance rules. Step three is to deploy capital like a bank. So you employ property-backed lending, so you get security on all the lending that you're making, so that in the event of something going wrong, you've got an asset to back up the loan, and you can therefore recoup your loan through the asset that's offered as security. And carrying out structured joint ventures where you can carry out property ventures using your own expertise, but using other people's capital, other people's money. Step four, recycle capital. Returns fund the next opportunity. So as you generate revenue from one opportunity, you can reinvest it into the next. And compounding replaces linear growth. Why property is central? It's central because it's a tangible security that doesn't lose its value. It gives predictable income, depending on what sort of property it is and the market rates that are apparent for that property. It provides inflation resilience because prices of property assets go up as inflation rises. And they provide bank-grade collateral. So these are not assets like cars or machinery which depreciate. These are appreciating assets. Risk management is the edge. Capital preservation first. Ensure that you keep your capital, your equity that you have for investment. You adopt conservative assumptions and you're risk averse. And you have your assets protected through legal agreements which are clear and interpretable under the appropriate law so as to protect you. Where WeFi fits in. WeFi is not a bank, it's a decentralized bank. It's a digital infrastructure supporting capital control, transparency and governance. It is within the blockchain, so every transaction is trackable, traceable and transparent. And it's across modern wealth ecosystems, so this is fiat currency as well as cryptocurrency. The Alpus philosophy, we don't necessarily chase yield, we build systems that endure. So what we're looking at is long-term systems to generate wealth, create wealth, and also to recycle profits to reinvest for the long term to compound the interest so that we generate the most wealth in the shortest possible period. And the end goal is financial independence and optionality, the options to choose where to allocate investments and where to earn investments, and to produce an intergenerational legacy. That's a legacy that can be passed on through generations. Final thought, those who control the capital control the outcomes. It's very difficult to generate wealth unless you've got some capital to invest. So this is the starting point, to have some capital with which you can start your wealth creation journey. Capital thinking in practice, visualizing the own bank system. You've got a capital control loop, which comprises a capital base. This is the capital you start off with. You've got a structure in which you can deploy assets, and then you achieve returns from that system. Where WeFi sits, you've got capital owner, legal structures, the WeFi infrastructure, and then assets that you can purchase using WeFi. So an illustrative case study, recycling capital, £250,000 initial capital deployed into a property-backed deal. Assets generates £25,000 annual net cash flow. Cash flow is retained and recycled into a second deal. The capital is preserved and the income compounded. Illustrative example only demonstrates the principle but not the returns. Important information and regulatory gnosis. This presentation is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice, investment advice, or an offer of regulated financial products. Alpus Group is not a bank and does not accept deposits. WeFi is a digital infrastructure platform and does not provide regulated banking services, so participants should seek independent legal, tax and financial advice.